Speed is life.
Speed of execution is survivability.
You don't have that speed of execution, then you're not going to be able to get that mission done.
If I can move faster than you can, I'll probably win that fight.
When you sneak up on them in a tilt rotor, they don't have time to react. Most enemy do not have time to react. If they don't see you or hear you coming, by the time you're there, you're gone.
The ability to execute faster, maneuver faster, fly through a weapons engagement zone faster. In every echelon of this discussion, speed is highly valuable, and you can never have enough speed. Speed gives you reaction time, which gives the ground force commander decision-making time. Making decisions in the heat of the fight is really complicated, and when you can buy the ground force commander more time to make those decisions, or more maneuver space by maneuvering his forces quickly, be that on land or through the air, it's giving them something that they really need. Aviation is a supporting element, right? They're there for the ground force commander. So anything they can do to improve their lethality, their maneuverability, their ability to be resupplied at great distances is a huge win.
You don't hear a tilt rotor coming until the last minute when it turns into a helicopter and transitions to land. And by that point, it's too late.
It's a more survivable aircraft. Just speed is life, whether it's something you're dealing with on the aircraft or something external to the aircraft. It's like no other asset out there because you still, even with that speed and that maneuverability, you don't need a runway. You can operate from the field. You can really operate from dispersed locations.
The operational reach of the future long-range assault aircraft is defined by speed and range, not just speed or range, and that gets directly to the speed of execution of the mission. We want to be able to move an entire brigade in an air assault mission in a period of darkness.
Speed of execution is survivability. Player provides a speed of execution to reduce that vulnerability that is predicted by the enemy.
The legacy fleet has been consistently upgraded. It's been upgraded to the point now where you can no longer push a traditional helicopter through the skies at the ranges and speeds required for the future fight in order to remain survivable on the future battlefield. So we believe that the tilt rotor is that solution.
It really does all come back to time. That's the advantage the tilt rotor presents. It has a wing. It creates that myriad of options when you have some of the disasters or some of the crises or even some of the conflict we see happening throughout the globe. As far as the medevac mission goes, tilt rotor is really a game changer. We commonly refer to the golden hour, which of course, if you can cut that in half or double that distance, is a huge game changer all its own.
So the speed of execution is critical to success. What we see in the future, the hard fight's going to occur at the very beginning. And, in the case of personal experience from operations and combat with a B-22, you do a tilt rotor mission to an objective area so rapidly, the people on the ground who are your enemy, their ability to react to you is extremely short compared to a helicopter.
Our reason for a lot of excitement, their operators, their aviators are going to love it because you can just do so much with a tilt rotor.
It changes the calculus for our competitors, changes the deterrent value. All of a sudden, the U.S. has got this capability, and maybe down the road, our allies, and they really have to rethink, wow, twice as fast, twice as far, plus it brings a whole variety of different capabilities with the modular open systems architecture that's on board. Tilt rotors change everything for both our enemy and our competitors. I think it's the right capability. We need it now, and I'll feel so much better when my grandchildren and great-grandchildren are protected by a capability like this.